The sea awakens first, waves carving light into marble cliffs as fishermen rise to greet the gold horizon. Within painted halls, the scent of oil and smoke mingles with song. Life moves in rhythm beneath red pillars. Craftsmen shape earth and metal into beauty, each stroke a prayer to unseen gods who dwell in wind and flame. The fields sing with harvest, olives crushed, grapes bled, children laughing in the shadow of endless hills. Upon the sacred heights, smoke curls through marble arches, and the people offer light back to the sun. Along the harbors, ships whisper to the sea, sails trembling with the breath of distant gods. Music rises in spirals, dancers move like tides, their shadows flickering against the marble walls. And when dawn returns, the city gleams again, still, eternal, and carved forever into the heart of stone.